everybody, welcome. I'm at this magnificent venue, the Royal Opera House located in Muscat, Oman. Some of the world's biggest names in entertainment have graced the stages of this Royal Opera House. This is my second visit to the Opera House. I've been here 2 years ago in 2019. I'm here visiting this magnificent venue once again. It would have been nice to enjoy an evening of music or dance here, but unfortunately, due to COVID, they have paused all shows and performances. There are upscale retail outlets and restaurants here on the venue where one can dine on a sumptuous cuisine and stroll through a beautiful garden. This opera house was commissioned by the then Sultan of Oman, His Highness Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Sayed. The Royal Opera House in Muscat opened in 2011. We had a wonderful guide who gave us a tour of the place, and he mentioned that this opera house was the Sultan's gift to the people of Oman to promote and appreciate cultural arts. The Royal Opera House, that is located in the Al Shati Kurum district in the capital city Muscat, is a stunning marble building and can be easily spotted from one of the main city roads, the Sultan Qaboos Street. Like many important buildings in Muscat, the Royal Opera House is built of a white marble stone. When I'm thinking of Oman's capital city, Muscat, I remember an elegant combination of white buildings and clear blue sky, sapphire blue seas, and reddish mountains. The white color, in combination with graceful arches and geometrical carved stone, makes this building almost look like they are floating and nearly like not from this world. The facade cladding is made of pink limestone from the desert of this country. The Royal Opera House reflects unique contemporary Omani architecture, although a combination of Islamic, Oriental, and European influences are visible in the choice of material and decoration. The Muscat Opera House sits on 80 acres of land and is surrounded by well-maintained green garden. The landscape garden has colorful flower displays, perfectly groomed lawns, and topiary hedges. When in the Middle East, one has to remember that this is a desert. Greenery is not natural here. Greenery is an extreme luxury, so it takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and resources to maintain a garden of this magnitude. If I thought that the building was beautiful from the outside, the interior amazes me even more. The interior is furnished with marble floors, intricate woodwork made of exotic teak wood and adorned with genuine Omani handicrafts, as you will soon see. This is the grand foyer with a beautifully handcrafted wooden table with very exquisite inlay work. Here you can see the mother of pearl and different exotic woods all inlaid, making this table look visually stunning. In this hall adjoining the grand foyer, the ceiling is grand with intricate wood and real gold work and is simply exquisite. I have never seen such opulence and grandeur. Enjoy! The theater space, decorated in reds and golds, accommodates 1,100 guests. This auditorium has excellent acoustics and personal technology devices and opulent decor. His Highness Sultan Qaboos was particularly enthusiastic about the pipe organ. The Royal Opera House Muscat features the second largest movable pipe organ in the world, which has 3 specifically made organ stops named the Royal Solo in His Majesty's honor. His Highness Sultan Qaboos bin Said was an avid fan and promoter of classical music. His 120-member orchestra has a high reputation in the Middle East. They play locally and have traveled abroad with the Sultan. This auditorium has excellent acoustic and personal technology devices and opulent decor. And this auditorium, our tour guide told us, can shift from a concert hall to an opera theater mode via the switch of buttons. Our tour guide said that the transformation of the concert hall into an opera theater is quite stunning and quite a show in itself. He explained to us the transformation of the concert hall into an opera theater. He said that as the box towers on each side nearest to the stage turns inward and the proscenium framing the stage narrows, meanwhile the front seating rows drop into garages hidden under the floor and the orchestra pit is revealed. And each seat has its own screen for translation. And oh, there's one other important fact that our guide had mentioned. He said that since this opera house was the Sultan's gift to his people, the ticket prices for concerts and performances here are very nominal. Their aim is to promote art and culture and not commercial. The king's wish was to make it accessible for all the people in his country. The Royal Opera House Muscat website lists the ticket prices and the seat plans, and you'll find that the prices are very reasonable. There are all kinds of performances here like opera, concerts, ballet, Arab music, jazz music, world music, and many educational events, shows, and exhibitions also occur at this venue. Hope you enjoyed visiting the Royal Opera House Muscat with me. If you enjoyed this video, please join me on my other videos as well. Thank you for watching.